welcome. Find a position where your body feels supported. You don't need to sit perfectly. You don't need to empty your mind. There is nothing to achieve. For the next few minutes, simply allow yourself to come home. Take one slow breath in, allowing your abdomen, your ribs, and finally your chest to expand gently. When your breath feels comfortably full, swallow once, as though you were softly locking the breath inside. No force, no strain, just a gentle pause. Then slowly release your breath through your mouth, letting your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, your eyes become quiet. Again, a slow, comfortable breath in. Feel from the bottom upward, allowing the lungs to expand naturally. When the breath is comfortably full, swallow, hold gently, and simply notice. Then slowly exhale through your mouth, allowing the entire body to become a little heavier. Nothing to fix, nothing to change, only noticing. Continue breathing this way at your own comfortable rhythm. Every inhale creates a little more space. Every exhale allows your body to let go of unnecessary tension. Every exhale allows your body to let go of unnecessary tension. As you continue breathing, bring your attention to your eyes. Notice any effort behind them. Many of us spend the entire day looking outward, reading, planning, watching, analyzing. For a moment, allow your eyes to rest. Even if they're open, let your focus soften. Imagine your eyes floating effortlessly inside their sockets. Imagine your eyes floating effortlessly inside their sockets. Relax the tiny muscles around them. Allow your forehead to smooth. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Allow your temples to soften. Your jaw, your tongue, the muscles around your mouth, your neck, your shoulders. There is nowhere you need to go. Nothing you need to prepare for. This moment is enough. Now allow your attention to move gently towards the center of your chest, not to your physical heart, simply the center of your chest. Imagine there is a warm point of light there. You don't need to force the image. Some people see it clearly, others simply imagine it. Either is perfect. Imagine a soft golden light about the size of a small candle flame. Quiet, steady, peaceful. With every inhale, that light becomes just a little brighter. With every exhale, it becomes a little warmer. No effort, simply allowing. As your breath continues, imagine this golden light gently expanding. Not dramatically, just naturally, like the first rays of sunrise. It begins to fill the center of your chest, then your shoulders, your lungs, your upper back, your neck, your arms, your hands, all the way down and out your feet. Each breath inviting your nervous system to recognize something it already knows. You are safe enough to soften. You are safe enough to breathe. You are safe enough to come back to yourself. Notice that your breathing may already feel different. Probably slower, perhaps deeper, perhaps simply quieter. There is no correct experience, only your experience. Now continue breathing in deeply and imagine this warm golden light becoming your point of attention. Whenever your mind wanders, there's no need to fight it. Simply notice and gently return your awareness to your breath and to this warm center inside your chest. Again, slowly inhale, comfortably full, swallow gently, and pause. Hold your breath for as long as feels comfortable. Then slowly release. Feel your body becoming heavier, your mind becoming quieter, your breathing becoming easier. Stay here for a few moments, simply breathing, simply noticing, simply returning. As we come towards the end of this practice, recognize something important. Nothing new was created here. You didn't manufacture peace. You didn't invent calm. You simply removed enough noise to notice what was already present. This place inside you that is always available every time you return to your breath. Every time you soften your body, and every time you bring your attention back to the center of your chest, you strengthen a pathway home. Not because of belief, not because of willpower, but because your brain, your body, and your nervous system learn through repetition. Take one final deep breath. Feel comfortably. Swallow gently. Pause. And slowly release through your mouth any last bit of tension, stress, or worry down into the ground, into the earth. Now allow a small smile if it feels natural. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes or simply bring your awareness back to the room around you. Welcome